Kendle K2 is a high-speed professional LCD 3D printer capable of delivering up to 10 microns per layer of precision. Kendle K2 has a metal chassis with a quadro-fan cooling solution and capable of wireless and offline printing. With a build area of 190 by 120 millimeters, Kendle K2 is capable of printing large objects and mass printing, up to 60 millimeters per hour or 5 seconds per layer. With Kendle resin, K2 is capable of printing crystal clear objects. All of our sectors are mass production ready, capable of producing 110 K2 per month with rigorous quality control. And we believe that one of the most important things in a successful campaign is the trust between backer and developer. So we provide a daily update to always inform you guys of what's going on in the project.